Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a delivery on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and schedule a delivery on the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on the top left-hand corner where it says your address. Then click on Deliver Now, Schedule on the bottom-hand side. So this is where you're going to enter the day which you want the delivery to happen. So let's say that we want a delivery for Sunday at around 12:45 p.m. Click on Schedule. And so with it, you can basically see that there is now a scheduled delivery for this time. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule the delivery on a Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.